Thinking of starting a smart logistics solutions firm in Singapore? Here's what you need to know. Singapore is a global logistics and supply chain hub, making it an ideal location for smart logistics businesses. With rising demand for automation, real-time tracking, and data-driven logistics, companies are actively adopting smart solutions to improve efficiency and reduce costs. First, define your service offerings. Will you focus on logistics software, IoT tracking systems, warehouse automation, fleet management solutions, or AI-powered supply chain analytics? Your target clients may include logistics operators, e-commerce companies, manufacturers, or regional distributors. Next, register your company with ACRA. Most founders choose a private limited company for credibility and scalability. Depending on your services, you may need to comply with IMDA regulations, PDPA, data protection requirements, and industry-specific operational standards. You'll need skilled talent in technology, data analytics, and systems integration. Strong cybersecurity measures, system reliability, and intellectual property protection are critical for smart logistics platforms. Proper financial management is essential. This includes accounting, tax compliance, GST registration if applicable, and grant advisory to support growth. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we help smart logistics firms with company incorporation, regulatory compliance, accounting, tax planning, and business advisory, so you can focus on building efficient and future-ready logistics solutions.